Hello, Assalamu alaikum, grade 3. Um, how everything? I hope you are spend nice times in Ramadan. Okay, we will continue talking about sorting living things, and we said that to sort living things that means put them in groups and classifying them, put them in groups according to their similarities or differences. Okay, and we talk about the group of mammals and group of birds, and we put these living things in group because they have the common characteristics. They have the same characteristics. Today we talk about a group of fish. Okay, so when I say the group of fish, that means I put them in group. That means they have the same or common characteristics. Okay, so fish have fins that help them to swim. Here, look at the picture. Yeah, this part, fins, help them to swim in the water. Fish have scales here, scales here. Look at the picture, scales. These scales protect their bodies. Also, fish have gills. Okay, gills. Here, gills. Okay, gills behind their head. You will find small openings behind their heads, beside in these two sides. Okay, you will find small openings. I call this gill. Okay, it's just like lung in human. Fish use it to breathe inside the water. Okay, so also, yeah, the gills both on both sides of their heads. Gills help the fish to breathe in the water. Most fish lay eggs, and a few fish such as guppies or mollies and some sharks give birth to their young alive. So the common characteristics in group of fish: number 1, they have fins to swim. Number 2, they have scales to protect their body. Number 3, they have gills on both sides of their heads to breathe inside the water. Most of fish lay eggs, but some of them can give birth to their babies, such as Gabi and Mali and some of sharks. Okay? Okay, it's not just like this lay egg. Oh yeah, I'm just kidding. Not just like this, they cannot build net and lay eggs. Okay, just like this. One fish can lay hundreds eggs in one time. So they just like this red small poles are fish eggs. So one fish can lay hundreds eggs in one time. Okay, yeah, sharks give birth to their young. You know baby shark? Yes, shark and delivers babies. Okay, shark cannot lay eggs. Shark delivers babies. Okay, also here the gobby fish. Okay, yeah. In this side, look at this red row. Now this fish give birth to their babies. She was pregnant, and now she delivers babies. So gobby and shark cannot lay eggs, they deliver his babies. Okay, also here this fish Molly, Molly, look at this part with red, okay, with red color. This fish now is pregnant. Then it will deliver its babies, give birth to their young. Okay, so most of fish lay eggs, but some can deliver its babies or give birth to their young, such as sharks, gobby, and molly fish. Okay, yeah. So now we know the common characteristics in group of fish, and now we will talk about the place that the fish will live. Fish can found in seawater or fresh water. Okay? Seawater is water in the seas and oceans. That water contains salt. Okay? Fresh water is water in ponds, lakes, and rivers. Yeah, fresh water contains much less salt than seawater. Yes, some of freshwater fish and some of seawater fish are showing here in this picture. So, tetra, this picture, this is the one of fish that live in fresh water, in ponds and lake and rivers. You will find the tetra fish. Tetra fish live in fresh water, contains less salt than seawater. Okay, also swordtail. The swordtail fish live in fresh water. The swordtail fish live in fresh water. Also the goldfish. Oh, nice. What a nice color here. Okay, goldfish fish also live in fresh water. Okay, now so these fish live in fresh water. The tetra, the swordtail, the goldfish fish. Here we will find fish live in ocean or in seawater, in oceans or in sea water, just like ray. The ray fish live in oceans or sea water. Yeah, what a nice fish here. The clown the clownfish also lives in sea water or ocean water. Okay, here, yeah, the horse fish live in sea water. Okay, so this is pictures of, yeah, fish live in sea or ocean water. Ray fish, clownfish, and seahorse fish. Yeah, we have a special kind of fish. We call this the mud skipper. The mud skipper fish. Mud skipper fish. Okay, mud skippers are unusual fish. They can stay out of water for long periods of time. So these fish can stay out of water for long time. Mud skippers can store water in a special part of their bodies called gill chambers. So they can store water. So because of that, they can stay out for a long time because they can store water. They use the oxygen from this water on land. So they store water, then they use the oxygen from the water that they stored when they go outside the water. Okay. Mud skipper can also absorb air through their skin when it is wet. So when they out of water, they can use the oxygen from water that they stored, and also use their skin to absorb air. On the land, mud skippers skip by pushing their bodies. They can move by pushing their bodies, move by pushing their bodies against the mud. So because of that, we call this mud skippers. Okay, they can also use their fins to row forward. They use the fins that you use. The fins, fish usually use it in water to swim, but the mud skipper can use it on land to move. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Yes. This is a very important information. Fish are not able to close their eyes because they have no eyelids. Eyelids. They don't have this. So because of that, they cannot close their eyes. When they are asleep, their eyes will be open. Okay, just like this. Now this fish is sleeping. Okay, this fish is sleeping with open eyes because they don't have eyelids. They cannot close their eyes. Okay, we will find the fish sleep in deeper in water, under the rock, or just float in water with opening eyes. So fish cannot close their eyes. So we talk in our lesson about the common characteristics of fish, and depends on these characteristics we put fish in one group. Okay, sorry for that. And we talk also about the fish can deliver babies such as shark, goby, and molly. And we talk about the places that the fish can live in: freshwater, ponds, lakes, rivers, or in oceans or sea water. And for example, fish live in freshwater just like tetra, the swordtail, the goldish fish. And also we talk about the fish live in sea water or ocean just like ray and gold clown and sea horse. Also we talk about we have a special kind of fish, we called it the mud skipper. Okay, the mud skipper can stay outside for a long time. And we also said that fish sleep with opening eyes because they don't have eyes or eyelids. This is our lesson. Thank you so much. You can go and do search on internet about the mud skippers or about the types of fish in freshwater or in sea or oceans water. Thank you so much for attending the lesson. Please follow the instructions and stay at home. Stay safe. Thank you so much.